Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in Philippines. What is going on today? Well, it is bright and early, I'll tell you that. It is 7:30 a.m. So I mentioned the other day that, about the landscaping. And so what I did was I went on Facebook Marketplace and I put an ad looking for two laborers that can do painting and minor landscaping, not skilled workers. And I offered to pay 600 pesos per day. And so I found two guys. They're brothers, so hopefully this works out. And they're supposed to be coming, should be arriving any minute, hopefully. And so I got all of our painting supplies laid out. And so here's the plan. Actually, my buddy Albert said he was going to stop over. So if he does stop over, him and I are going to paint this bottom wall. Get up here. Got a nice little seating area set up for the workers. And also with that 600 pesos per day, I offered to feed them lunch. So my wife will cook a nice lunch and water, as much water as they need to drink because it's going to be hot. Yeah, so me and Albert are going to paint this bottom section. And I got the cocoa brown for the pillars. So I'm going to paint that, see how that looks. I'll get the spray gun and paint along the top and also along the bottom. And then I'm going to have them working on this wall. Need to get that one primered. I bought some extension poles because some sections are a little high, especially way up there. It's like 8 feet, 10 feet maybe. I hear something. See some trees moving. Neighbors doing some work, looks like. So I'll get them to primer all that till lunchtime. Hopefully they can finish this wall today, which they should be. Filipinos are pretty fast workers. And then we're gonna start working on this. Get all this raked and then get all that gravel, all them stones, all them rocks, put down there in that driveway to start preparing for the rainy season. So I noticed, check these out. So my wife went to one of the, landscaping garden centers. And she bought all these flower pots. These things, with the pot and the stand, I think she said they're 150 pesos or 120. Man, that's a hell of a deal. I couldn't even make them that cheap, so figured let's just buy them. They're pre-made. And then she's going to paint all these, probably the cocoa brown. So those should look nice. And haven't even got the chickens up yet. Hey, chick, chick, chick. Come on. So every morning I come down and let the chickens out. Come on. That rooster right there, he seems to be the boss. But he's mean. Come on, chick, chick, chick. Chick, chick, chick. All right, guys. Let's get this video rolling. Hopefully these guys will be here any minute. And then I'll get them started. And then I'll film throughout the day the progress. And we'll see how it turns out. And we'll see if it's worth hiring two laborers from Facebook Marketplace. And I just hope it works out. I could not sleep last night. You know, like the day before Christmas, you're excited about the new day and you just can't sleep. That's how I was last night. So I slept for maybe 2 hours just anticipating being the boss and getting this stuff done. I really want to get this done. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, look who showed up today. We got Mr. Albert, and the workers did end up showing up. They're over there.
It looks like they's on time too, except for me.
Yeah, they were on time. They showed up. They're young, which is good, right?
Yeah.
25 and 18 brothers.
They look close.
Yeah, Cameling. So we'll keep an eye on them today. And got their water, got everything all set up. They got right to work, and I tell you, they're pretty quick. They might have that wall knocked out in like an hour. All right, guys, stay tuned. Albert and I are going to start doing the second coat on this wall. All right, guys, a little update. It is about 10:30, and you know, you always learn a valuable lesson. So I got this paint here, this roof shield. It was the only brown paint they had, and it is 100% acrylic. So it's this one. So when I started with a stick, and then let me show you what it looked like. I put it on the pillars down here. Got Albert over there. So I put it on and I was like, man, this shit is gray. When it was like oil. Well, I didn't stir it good enough. You see how dark that is? It's like a gray. And then Albert hit it with the drill with my mixer and it turned brown. So let that be a valuable lesson. Always mix your paint. Let's get a look here, see what this looks like. So this is the finish wall, except for just need another coat on that light brown. But this is what it's gonna look like with the highlights. The cocoa brown, that is so much nicer of a brown after we mixed it. But it matches the gate nicely. See that? So these guys, they've been working really fast. They did this whole wall, and now they're doing that back wall. They are putting it on kind of thin, so I said, I'm gonna need a second coat. I need you guys to do a second coat on that. They kind of looked at me like I was crazy, but I think tomorrow, man, it's hot. It's 95 degrees. So yeah, we're getting things moving along. So like I said, I hired these guys. I just put an ad on Facebook Marketplace and said, 600 pesos per day. The guy messaged me, kid, 25, kid to me, and his little brother, 18. They're doing a hell of a job. And they don't take breaks. They're not drinking very much water. So I need to make sure we take care of these guys. Christine is making lunch. So once we get their lunch, I'll check back in with you. So yeah, we haven't done any landscaping yet today. So we got all week and they're moving fast. So I already told these guys I'd hire them for 5 or 6 days. So we got plenty of time. All right, guys. Well, I'll check back with you in a little bit. Got to help Albert get painting. All right, guys. It is almost the end of the first day. It is Sunday. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you what has been done on the first day and answer my question. Is it worth hiring just laborers versus actual landscapers or skilled painters? Is it worth it? Let's take a look. Now keep in mind, they didn't actually do this. Me and Albert finished this, but I've been working on this wall for a good 2 weeks. I mean, I'm slow, I'm old, my wife's been helping, but that's what everything's gonna look like. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. What do you think about my choice of colors? That is Popeye and Cocoa Brown. Choco Brown to match my gate and all my doors. So these guys, 25 and 18, cost me 600 pesos per day each. I'm not really sure why they skipped that part. I already had that wall painted, primed, so they need to do that part right there, but they did this whole wall, so this is like 35 meters. They did the whole back wall. Let's actually take a walk back there. And I'll get a good look at, man, that sun is hot. Get in the shade here. So what do you guys think of that? So me and Albert did that. And then they did this whole wall. The first coat they did, I thought was a little thin, so I told them to do a second coat. I think they were actually going to do it anyways. I think they're just getting the first coat. And then this all still needs a second coat. And those pillars, I think they'll come back and do those. So I did all that. That's another 30, I think it's 35 meters. And now they're going across the bottom. And they're even doing the cracks. We got some small cracks. I gave them that putty that I bought. So we're doing that. Get all that primed. So tomorrow, I think we're gonna start doing the landscaping, raking and doing all that. And then we'll get all this, I'll get all this mess cleaned up later. Went through a lot of paint today. That roof shield, I really like that. It's funny, when I went to City Hardware and they didn't have the cocoa brown, so the only brown they actually had was this roof shield, and it is 100% acrylic. And I asked the guy, will this work? Here's Snuffy. I said, will this work on the concrete wall? And he told me no. Well, I asked AI, Gemini, and it said, of course it'll work. It's acrylic. It's actually the same as paint, except that it's not elastomeric. But AI said it'll actually last longer because it's a really thick acrylic paint. And I really like the color. It matched my furniture. So I think I might actually paint the pump house that color. You can see I actually had a wet brush, so I was trying to dry out the brush. But yeah, I think I'm gonna paint the pump house that cocoa brown color. All right, guys, well, stay tuned for tomorrow when we actually start doing some landscaping. And then I gotta go order some topsoil. I did find some topsoil from a local hardware, and they told me 900 per mini dump truck. And then I sent my wife to talk to them, and she got it down to 750 per mini dump. So I'll go ahead and order probably like 5 loads to start with. I want to test the soil. I want to see what it looks like before I go order like 10 loads. And then we'll get this raked out. My wife and her sister will get these plants taken out. We'll get all that raked, and then we'll start getting all the topsoil down and then get ready for that frog grass. So, all right, guys, stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go in the house in the AC, put this together. It is too hot. And hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace. All right, let's get a shout out.
I will say shout out to the remember.
Shout out to those people at the City Hardware. I had to go back to City Hardware because they ran out of primer, and it wasn't yet 5 o'clock. So they wanted to keep going. So I said, well, let me run to City Hardware. I'll get 4 more gallons of primer, and you guys, finish up for the day. And then what I've decided is we're actually just going to paint tomorrow. We're not going to do landscaping. I want them to go ahead and get painting. I want them to paint the Popeye so that I can do the pillars and just be done with this wall before we start doing any landscaping, because we are going to bring the dirt, up on the bottom. So let's go ahead and just get this knocked out. So they got this whole wall done except for that one spot. Need to ask them about that. Remind them, hey, don't forget that spot. But they did the second coat. And then tomorrow we'll do the Popeye and the cocoa brown and be done. There's a couple spots, but it is just primer. So let me zoom out here. That Popeye is actually a what is that? Forget the name of that paint, but it's a sealer. A couple spots along the side. That wall is bright. But yeah, they're pretty much done. Just some spots on the sides. I also got them a 4-inch roller so they could easily get those spots. But yeah, this bottom wall really looks nice. The second coat really goes on nice. It's nice and cool down here. Got a nice breeze. Yeah, so I'd say another 30 minutes. I'll be done. All right. Well, now that is it. My father-in-law is up here also helping paint. I'll show you guys something. I don't know what happened to my arm, but I don't know if you can see the, it's like water. It's like water on the knee, but I got water on the elbow. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can get a view. Let me turn the camera. See that? It is full of fluid. I mean, it is squishy. Any of you guys ever had something like that? It's like a Popeye elbow. See, this one's bony, and then this one just puffed out. I don't know if it's from the heat or too much painting. I don't know. But all right, guys. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. This is it. We will see you tomorrow. Until next time. Peace.